everyone. Welcome to another exciting edition of Caribbean Andy Drinks. Want to make a martini? Hey everyone, I'm Caribbean Andy. I have 20 years experience working in bars and I'm bringing that back to my bungalow so we can make cocktails together. Grab your Hawaiian shirt and mixing tin and let's get started. Martini is up there with the old-fashioned and no others. A martini, it's not a category of cocktails. It is one specific drink. For example, if you were making eggs Benedict and you took the hollandaise sauce out of it and then replaced that with grape jelly, that wouldn't be eggs Benedict anymore. So martini really is only one specific drink. Now, if you're someone who calls something else a martini, it's okay. It doesn't make you a bad person, nor does it make you stupid, and don't let anyone make you feel bad for saying that. If you want to call your child martini, if you want to call lemonade with a splash of vodka in a martini, that's fine. But this is how I'm going to make a martini. And I don't know, some people might say it's wrong too. One of the first printed recipes for a martini is in David Embury's book. I don't know what it's called. As far as I'm aware, nobody knows the actual origin of a martini, but the recipe we're going by is from David Embury's Fine Art of Mixing Drinks, which was printed in 1948. And he says that his preference is for a 7-to-1 ratio, but he finds that what works best for most people's palates is a 5-to-1 ratio. So that's what we're going to use today. Honestly, my ratio, I'd probably do mostly vermouth, maybe 2-to-1. I would actually enjoy a glass of vermouth right now. We are going to build it in our mixing glass here. We're also going to chill on a little coupe. Oh boy. That's fine. Today's episode of Caribbean Andy Eats is being brought to you in part by America's chicken farmers. Do you know where your eggs are coming from? We're going to do 2.5. 2.5 ounces of gin. 2.5 ounce of vermouth. A classic recipe would call for dry vermouth. We are today going to use Blanc Vermouth. Blanc Vermouth is a little bit sweeter, it's a little bit more floral, and a little bit more delicious. Dolin Blanc is affordable and available just about everywhere. Fine vermouths are sold. We're going to do a single dash of orange bitters. We're going to spill some ice on the floor. And then we'll stir this about 30 seconds. I can't help but count to 30 in my head because I'm into counting. If you want to shake it, if you want to stir it, if you want to drink it warm with no ice at all, that's all okay. Don't let this YouTube video determine your self-worth. Drink what you like. We're gonna discard our ice from the glass. And then do a single strain into our coupe. We're going to take our lemon peel, our oils onto it, and then discard it. And we're going to garnish it with an olive. And this is this is just delicious. This is so good. I love that. This is a treat. Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and that you learned a new cocktail. If there's a cocktail you want to see me make, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. And like and subscribe, I do new videos every week. Before we were printing cocktail recipes, there is a giant bumblebee. I wonder if it's one of those killer bees. Hornets. No, I don't know what this is, but I don't like it.